Meaning usually if there are posts that we need to show, for example 10, if it becomes greater than 10, 11, 12, and 13 shall be posted in the next page, meaning only the first 10 are the objects that we're gonna fetch, and the next pages are the one that contains the next datas by the groups of 10. So for now we only have 4 posts. For example, we only paginated put pagination for 3, meaning these 4 objects shall only post this first 3, and the next one shall be gonna be put in the next page. So right now we're gonna put our pagination and edit our index, since index is the one that's being called in the root or the default page, and this call for the post, all of the post. Then this is the one that we're gonna first implement our pagination. Pagination is called by using the Django built-in Paginator. We're gonna import this Paginator, and for now we're just gonna use 3. Later on we're gonna increase this one as our post objects gets bigger. So right now this Paginator class uses the post that we fetch here, meaning all of the posts, and groups by 3. Then what's going to happen, based on the documentation, we need a page number wherein we get the request get page. The meaning of that is, for example, our URL calls for a feed parameter. What's going to happen is question mark is used to check if there's a page variable, and let's say page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. We get this page parameter by accessing this get request data if this has a page parameter. What's going to happen is when we get this page number, this is now our present page object. Before we are using post, and right now we are converting this to a page object, wherein based on the present page that we have, we are showing which part or which page are we going to show to the screen. Just think of it as like simply this post is now the one that we're gonna render to the page, meaning this post object is not anymore needed, and we're gonna use right now the page object. We also need to modify this into a key of named page object, and since we updated our post into page object, our views, our template, which cycles every post, right now we're gonna cycle to page object. And since we're gonna call for that page object, what just we need to finish this pagination is to create and render our pagination controls, wherein we're going to create a nav and an ordered list which has this class we call pagination and default CSS using bootstrap. According to the documentation, we're gonna need to cycle first if the page object has previews. So has previews is a built-in for Django for us, and this has previews, calls for previous pages, and we're just gonna cycle through that. Then we're just gonna call for our present that we have. Lastly, the page has next. This is what we're gonna show. Else this if are not gonna show, meaning there are no previews and there are no next to go into. So once we're done with that, we're gonna check our Django Paginator. Right now, just like what we use, our pagination only for shows the first 3 posts of the page. If more than that, we're gonna put it to the next. See our get early page 1 page. That's good.